Alright, sorry about that. My memory was so full, so yeah, I deleted all the videos. Oh my god, look at that bigness! I need something to get this close. Well, it's not that much hard. Whoa. What the hell? Let me just set the camera. Anyway, you can't see. Now here, okay. I just open it. When you cut this from the knife, I got scissors. Nah. Scissors. Oh my god, look at that! Oh my god, the smell is so good. Okay, let me just put it in. Oh, it's so hot. Let me just go to the camera. And put it in. Oh! Can you see? Oh! Actually, I'm gonna go pack right now and I eat just dinner. Because I didn't eat dinner for a long time now. For like 3 hours. You're gonna get it, buddy. It's so hot. So wait. I'm back. Alright now, that looks so hot. Crazy. Boom shock. Boom shock-a-lock. Get rid of it, I see Phil. Oh crap, popcorn for me. Alright guys. Continue. Oh my god, it's no popcorn in there. Yep. Finished. Put the crab. Put this. Come on! Bye. Now, for the microwave. Oh, dinner is served. Wait, let's just put this knife away because. Okay. So I'm saying knife, scissors away because it's so dangerous. Don't play with scissors. It's dangerous. Let's go. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.